Yeah, hi, in today's video, it's another update video on a app called Instant Recall, and it's going to be showing you about the app and how you can actually earn a passive income by turning $4 into $5,500 very easily. So stay tuned right to the very end because I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do it, and also I'll show you obviously what the app's all about and how you're actually going to earn this cash. So let's jump straight over to the desktop, have a look, and then we'll go into the back end of the app and show you everything you need to know. Okay, so as you can see, we've come onto the Instant Recalls website here. And if you haven't already downloaded this app, it is free to download and you can get it from the Apple Store and from Google Play. The payment structure is just about to actually go and launch itself, but the app's been available to download for a few months. Even when you use the app, you can actually use that for free as well. And how it works is that you can go and actually locate memories and you can put them into the app. So then when you want to recall a certain dinner you had in a certain restaurant, etc., you can then obviously go to the app and click on your recent memories and it will obviously bring it up for you. Now, how it's all going to work, we'll show you once we're inside the app of how it's actually going to, you're going to actually earn money. Now, you're going to earn money by giving the Instant Recall team access to your location data. Now, a lot of apps already take your location data and they do sell it to marketing companies and that sort of thing, and without your knowledge. So Instant Recall have just gone one step further to give money back into the pocket of the person that's actually giving the data. Now, you don't have to worry, it's all anonymous data. All it does is literally track your actual position in the world, and it does that about every 15 seconds. So that they can then sell it to these marketing companies. And then obviously we're going to tell you a little bit in a while how you are going to be able to benefit from that. So stay tuned for that. Now, Instant Recall has been built by a guy called Paul Schneider. He's got a massive app company in the States. And the reason why it's taken so long to actually come from the initial app to actually starting to be paid for everything is because he's actually been jumping through hoops for people like Google and for the App Store to make it so that it's totally legit, and that they're literally ticking every single box that these guys want, so that we as customers can obviously earn a passive income from it. So without further ado, let's jump over to inside the app and just show you how simple this is. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is obviously come and download the app. So go to whichever store that you're going to be able to download it for your phone, and then it should come up on your phone here. And we just tap it, and it obviously opens up, and it defaults to this map. And now, the first time you open it, you're actually going to see a screen which says about subscribing. It'll be this image here. That should come up on your screen. If you're already a member and you've only just gone back in, and you don't see that, then just literally uninstall the app, reinstall it, and then obviously it should show up then. Okay, so obviously I've got mine set on a map default, and what you've also got here, you've got points up in the top right hand corner, and these are people that I've obviously referred to the app previously. And you've got a settings arrow here. So, and as you can see here, it says cancel subscription. So don't click that at all if you've already subscribed, because it will literally cancel your subscription. You can obviously share with friends here, and it shows about how to use it and about that, about us page, and there is a contact us page as well. So everything totally legit. There's a support system in place as well. But remember, this is in beta, so there is going to be a few hiccups and that on the way. So be prepared for that. But as it says, it could be a total game changer, this could. So if we go back to the home screen, and as you can see here, when I click on this, I've got people on different levels. So I've got quite a few people on level 1, which are getting me 20 points. And then if I click on the plus button here, as you can see, I've got someone that they've introduced is now on my level 2. Okay, now if we go to this guy here, he's got a level 2 person, and also if I click down further, I've got someone on my level 3. Okay, and as you can see, I've got quite a few people already in here, and some of those have obviously referred other people. Now, how it works and how you're going to get paid your money, obviously you pay your $3.99 in dollars subscription per month. Okay, and the reason why they've introduced this, mainly because Google have literally put their prices through the roof of how they are actually going to collect the data. So they've had to, instead of making it free, which is what they wanted to do, they've had to put a small charge in. But when you think you can still use the app for free, you don't have to actually pay. You only want to pay if you want to make money from the app, which I'm presuming everybody on this video wants to do. And at $4 a month, obviously, once you start referring people in and sharing your link, you then get $1 for every person you bring in personally. So everybody on your level 1 will get you get $1 from everybody on your level 1. So for argument's sake, if you brought 10 people in, you get $10 on your level 1. And how this is going to scale up, as you can see, we've got a level 2 as well. So everybody that they bring in as well, you would still get $1 on level 2 as well. So as you can see now, we've now gone from 10 people to 100 people. So we're now up over $100 per month just on 2 levels. Now when you actually hit the 10 people, that then opens up levels 3 and 4. And both on those levels, you would then obviously get, again, if they referred 10 people, you'd have 1,000 people on your 3rd level, and you would obviously then go to, I'm going to do my maths quickly, it would be 10,000 people on level 4. And both of those levels, you actually get 50 cents for everybody on those levels. So as you can see, this could scale up to well over $5,500 per month if everything filled. Now, I know obviously lots of people, as you can see here, lots of people that join and don't actually upgrade. That is a good sign, but that doesn't really matter, because what they're going to do is every month, anybody that's not actually paying will get the actual levels will get compressed. So they'll get compressed, and anybody that's not paying will they will just lose obviously their place in that system. So everything should then bump up. Now it's going to take obviously a few months to get going, so you may have to pay 2 or 3 months of the $4 to get to see any results. But as you can see, you're not got to do anything else, guys. You haven't got to click on ads. You haven't got to go and watch surveys. You haven't got to go and play games to actually go and earn this money. You literally just have to set it and forget it. It really is. All you have to do is refer 10 people. So 10 people you know, friends, family, people on Facebook, all sorts. It's available worldwide. There are a few countries it's not available, but it is basically worldwide. And then that's it. You just need to get those people to go and get 10 people. So in this day and age with social media, everybody's capable of reaching 10 people. It really is so simple. Again, it's only going to cost you $4 per month to get going on this. And remember, you can use the app also for free. What I would suggest you do if you are getting involved in this, obviously click on the link below, get involved, pay your $3.99 subscription, and place yourselves ready to go and earn. Obviously then share it with friends, etc. And also go and check out some of the a couple of Facebook groups that I can then give you as well, that obviously then updates, and there's normally an update every Saturday at the moment. Paul comes on and gives you an update of how we are, but we're near enough ready to push that button and start to actually get the income rolling in. So exciting times for this app. I can see it, even if you only end up earning $200 or $300 per month, that is still some life-changing income for some people, especially with the way things are in the world at the moment. And if you join my team, I'll also be giving away some free gifts that will help you to go and get your 10 people into your business. So like I say, make sure you click on the link below and get yourself involved. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Remember, if you are obviously have already downloaded the app but not activated your monthly subscription, then you need to do that now. Otherwise, you could obviously lose your position in the actual pay structure. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, now's the time to go and do that too, and hit the notification bell, and so you'll be notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.